Hello, everybody! PSA Breakers here. Ready for another night of breaks, guys. We got a bunch of breaks to do. Pumped up. First, we got a Mosaic football mega box break. Then we have an optic basketball break. We'll do in the Canadian style. And then after we hit the Canadian, we're going to be doing the Blaster Mosaic Blaster Box Cello Pack break. That will be the third break of the night. And then I have a couple more, some more breaks posted as well. So if we can fill those breaks, we'll do those other breaks. But we have 3 breaks lined up back to back to back. We have Mosaic football, optic basketball, Mosaic football, ready to go. Appreciate you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing rather well right now, guys. I'm going to do a quick personal. After the personal, we'll start the break. Do a Mosaic basketball break. Pack here. For myself. Alright, George Hill. Trey Young. Second year, first ever Mosaic, obviously. We'll take care of that. Second year, Kevin Herter as well. Landry Shamet, reactive. What's going on, Card Pimps? Parmesan, Sterling Sports, Sports Card Bay, Portland Sports Zone. What up, y'all? Card Pimps, what up? Back to pimp out the board. Damian Lillard, Cameron Johnson, NBA debut. We got another rookie here. Isaiah Roby, Hall of Fame, Julius Erving, Dr. J. Dr. J. So let's get started. What up? What up? What up? Dr. J. What are we doing? Football? So I'll break out the Alvin Kamara tonight. Little Alvin Kamara, silver prism rookie card. Sending this in on I have a few of these I'm going to send in on the sports card PSA submission. We're going to be dropping that off in the next week. So if you guys have any cards you want me to grade with PSA, let me know. Going to be doing a submission in the next week or so. But we'll get started. I think we have everybody here. They keep changing this on me, huh? Crazy. I think we're good. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, guys. Let's do it. Like I said, Mosaic football, optic basketball, Mosaic football, blaster box, cello pack break. That's the third break. Good luck, y'all. We're doing the mega box right now. We're going to randomize it. Alright, guys. We're going to be randomizing the list 6 times tonight. 6 times. We'll start off with tier 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, we're doing it 6, 6, 6, 6 tonight. Alright, tier 3. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Tier 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright guys, Tier 1. We'll announce the teams once we do this. If you're just coming into the lobby now, we're randomizing tonight 6 times. Good luck, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dolphins number 1. Dolphins are a pretty good team this year. A lot better than they've been. Future is looking bright. Card Pimps, spots 1, 4, 7, and 8. Glad to have you back. Glad to see you pimping out the board once again. And you got some nice teams as well. So, Chargers, Dolphins, 2 big teams there. You also have the Cowboys, the Vikings, Colts, Buccaneers, Falcons. You got the Washington Redskins, the Rams, the Jets, the Broncos, Cardinals, Browns, Bills, Saints, Texans. So I hope you guys are doing well. You're having a great Wednesday night. Draft night, guys. Kind of another weird draft night with the virtual draft. I don't really know many of the players either, but we'll see. We'll see how this year's class goes. Obviously not as exciting as last year's class, it seems. Next up, CK61 underscore CK61. What up, man? Thanks for giving me a shot. Tonight, your teams, you got 4 of them. Steelers, Lions, Jaguars, and the New England Patriots. Cam Newton's Patriots there. Sterling Sports Cards. What up, bro? Chiefs, 49ers, Ravens, and Titans. So good luck there. We got Charlie Reichers. Charlie, what up, man? With the Bengals. Love to get a Joe Burrow. Raiders as well. Get that wide receiver rookie there. Bears and Seahawks. Talking about what Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. And then JJ Masto. What up, bro? Packers, Eagles, Panthers, Giants. So love to get you a Jordan Love Packers. And that's everybody. So I think we're ready to go, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you need to know your teams, let me know. Because it's time to rip. It's ripping time, guys. Steak knife time. Alright. I just sharpened her up right before the break. So we're good. Two black boxes tonight. We'll start with the one that's practically open. Here we go. Good luck, guys. This one came open rather easy. You know what that means? That means there's going to be some fire in here. That's my prediction. Is that a rookie to start? Is that Kerryon Johnson? It's a Johnson card. Lions. There we go. There's a rookie. Jalen Reagor. Rookie for the Eagles. Take care of that. Joey Bosa. Chargers reactive. The silver here. It's a nice one. Silver Jerry Rice. Nice hit for the 49ers. Sterling Sports Cards. Take care of that. Marcus Mariota. Raiders back up. There we go. Tua. That is a Tua Tagovailoa NFL debut for the Dolphins. Nice hit for Card Pimps. Take care of that. Cole Kmet. That's a nice reactive rookie prism for the Bears. Bears tonight. Charlie Reichers. So Charlie with the nice Cole Kmet. We got an Aaron Rodgers will to win. Packers. We'll sleeve that. Followed up by Calvin Ridley. Falcons. T. Higgins. Nice hit for the Bengals. Bengals tonight. Charlie again. So Charlie, a couple of good hits there. I'm going to top load this one for sure. Just need a minute to do that. Followed up. That's a reactive. T.Y. Hilton. Dick Buckus. Old school green mosaic. Cameron Jordan. Saints. Peyton Manning MVPs. It's going to organize a little bit here. All right, MVPs. We had a Hunter reactive. Touchdown Masters. Tony Gonzalez for the Chiefs. Take care of that. Dak Prescott. Cowboys. Cole Kmet. You see that color there, guys? Holy crap. I don't know what that was. You guys see that? Cole Kmet. Bears. You all see that? That's a nice one. Dalvin Cook. Pink. I don't know what the number is on this one. Let's find out. Got another silver there, too. So, guys, this is numbered to 10. A Dalvin Cook number to 10, guys. Let's go. Best running back in the league, number to 10. A check, please. 4 out of 10, guys. Holy shit. Vikings hitting tonight. Vikings hitting tonight. Card pips. Let's go. Back at it. What is this, dude? That's a 10 out of 10. What? 4 out of 10. Let's go! Dalvin Cook, dude. Let's go. I'm going to need to organize some cards here. Take care of the rest. There was another silver there. Dalvin Cook. What do you even call this? This is a pink? Four out of 10. 0-4. Oh, Lord. Dalvin, nice to meet you. Let's organize. Let's do a top 3. T. Higgins was nice too. Tuas as well. First time hitting out of a 10 card. Especially Mosaic. A numbered card out of 10. Guys, to finish that pack, we had a silver. Kerryon Johnson for the Lions. And a Kid Reporter. Green Mosaic. Numbered at 10. We had that Tua. Cole Kmet rookie. Bears, they made that Cole Kmet reactive prism. Bears. Duh, Bears. See if we can do a top 5 tonight. That is possible. Give me a second. Because we had that nice Jalen Reagor. Was that Jalen Reagor? First round pick for the Eagles. Wide receiver in a stacked wide receiver class. Just kind of stinks because the Eagles aren't that good this year. They don't have a great offensive line. Carson Wentz is obviously struggling. It's just too bad. There we go. All right, let me top load this Jerry Rice silver. 49ers. Now let's do the second half of the mega. So far, good start. So far, definitely a good start. We had a bunch of hits there, guys. Bunch of good inserts. Bunch of good rookie cards. We had a numbered Dalvin Cook at a 10. I don't even know what you call it. Pink. But we are on to mini box number 2. Mini box number 2 here. If we can open it. There we go. All right, guys, one sec. There's another Jerry Rice right there. Hell. All right, guys, we'll do them half at a time here. Half at a time. Finish it up. First half. Jerry Rice, 49ers. It's a third Jerry Rice tonight. Jonathan Taylor, Colts running back. Colts rookie running back for the Colts. Colts tonight, card pimps. Take care of that. We got a reactive rookie, J.K. Dobbins, Ravens. Up and down season for him. Not the best week last week, unfortunately. Touchdown Masters, Peyton Manning. We'll take care of that. Broncos, obviously. Couple years that he was on the Broncos. Was he on the Broncos for 2 or 3 years? He might have been on the Broncos for 3 years. Now that I think of it. J.J. Watt, Texans. With the rookie Javon Kinlaw for the 49ers. 49ers. Rookie. We have a reactive Christian Kirk. Cardinals. Jerry Rice, old school, guys. So this is a Jerry Rice box. This is, I believe, the 4th Jerry Rice of the break here. And then we have a Marshall Faulk. Rams. Last card of my first half of that last mini. Deshaun Watson, Pro Bowl. He won't be in the Pro Bowl this year, that's for sure. Alright, guys, second half. You had that kid report on the bottom. That Tiki Barber. Giants. We have a nice silver prism Tom Brady got game. Does Tom Brady got game? I think Tom Brady's the best player of all time, so the answer to that question is yes. We got Emmons, Bills. We got a nice Tua base there, guys. Nice Tua base rookie. Looks clean, clean, clean. Dolphins. Nice hit for card pimps. Second Tua of the break. Obviously, we have the NFL debut right there. I'm going to try to get myself a nice screenshot of this nice raw Tua. Tua getting better. Seems almost like week by week. Dolphins a great team. They have a great defense that causes turnovers, that capitalizes, on points off turnovers. They have a defense that tends to score off turnovers as well. Dolphins are good this year. Who knew? And it's not just because of Tua. They were a good team before Tua was even the starter. But looks pretty clean. Clean card. I'm going to backstop the top load. We have a nice reactive prism Jerry Jeudy NFL debut. I am not selling boxes right now, just doing breaks. With the boxes I have left, I want to do breaks. We have an NFL debut, Jerry Jeudy, Broncos. Andre Johnson, Silver Prism, Texans. Andre Johnson. Zach Ertz, Eagles. Troy Polamalu, Hall of Fame, Steelers. We had a Stephon Diggs, first year on the Bills. That's a reactive prism. Nice card for the Bills. Last card of the break is a gut game, Adam Thielen, Vikings. So let's recap it, guys. We had a bunch of hits there. Obviously, the top 5 was good off the first mini box. It's going to be even better off the second one. Bunch of hits there. Bunch of hits. We'll go over them right now. We're going to do a recap, guys. After the recap, I'm going to need about 10 to 15 minutes, and we're going to get ready for the optic break. And then after the optic break, we have another Mosaic football break. But let's do a recap of this past break. I'm going to need a couple minutes, too, to take care of some cards here and update the top 5. So we had a bunch of hits there. That Tua is really nice. Clean looking card. Alright guys, I'm going to take care of a few more cards and we'll do a recap. Bunch of nice cards though. I'll do a recap momentarily. Just want to make sure all the nice cards are sleeved and top loaded up. All the nicest cards here. Got game T. Brady. Alright guys, let's recap it. We're going to go over these sleeve cards, then the top-loaded cards, then we'll do the top 5. We had the Javon Kinlaw for the 49ers. Cole Kmet, Bears rookie. Andre Johnson, Silver Prism. Stephon Diggs, Bills. Will to win, Aaron Rodgers. Jonathan Taylor, NFL debut. Another Colt here. Peyton Manning, MVP. Pro Bowl, Deshaun Watson. We had a silver. Kerryon Johnson. Tony Gonzalez, touchdown Masters. Troy Polamalu, Hall of Fame. Green Mosaic, old school Dick Buckus. Jerry Rice, old school. Peyton Manning, touchdown Masters. Then we had the Adam Thielen gut game. We had some top-loaded cards here. We had a silver prism gut game Tom Brady on the Buccaneers. 49ers, silver mosaic Jerry Rice. We had a nice reactive prism Jerry Jeudy NFL debut rookie card. We had a rookie card J.K. Dobbins reactive rookie Ravens. And then Cole Kmet for the Bears rookie card. The top 5 was probably the Jalen Reagor, Eagles. T. Higgins on the Bengals. We had that Tua, NFL debut. Tua, base. Clean card. From first glance, looked pretty clean. Like I said, I didn't go crazy on it, but my first time I looked at it, it looked pretty clean. Nothing too obvious there. And then we had a Dalvin Cook, Vikings. I don't even know what to call this. A pink. Numbered out of 10. 4 out of 10. Dalvin Cook. And, you can make an argument he's the best running back in the league. He's playing like the best running back in the league right now. Dalvin Cook, I believe they gave him about 36 touches last week. He carried the ball, I believe, 30 times, and he caught like 6 passes. So this guy touched the ball 36 times last week. It was maybe over 36 times. It's just crazy. Hope he stays healthy. Hope he just continues to beast on. This guy's a beast. So, like I said, guys, I'm going to need about 5 to 10 minutes to clean up and to get ready for the next break. Right after this, we have a Optic basketball break. And then later on tonight, we have another Mosaic football break. We have a Blaster Box Cello Pack break. That is later tonight. Going to pull some more Mosaic heat. And then we're going to do some, rip some nice rookies in Optic, hopefully, in the next 20 minutes or so. 10 to 20 minutes, we'll be doing the Optic basketball break. So check that out. But I appreciate you guys so much. Another great break. We had some heat tonight. Bunch of cards. This is 2 of them. The pink numbered out of 10, Dalvin Cook. We had that Tua base on the Dolphins here. Appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for signing up for the break. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys soon for the Optic break and then later on for the Mosaic football break. Hopefully it's a good NBA draft. We're going to check that out right now too to see who got drafted. See if the Celtics end up doing anything or not, or if they're just going to be all talk like they always are. It's kind of like me on the schoolyard. Bunch of talk, no game. But we'll see if they actually do something, guys. Appreciate you. We'll see you soon for the Optic basketball break. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Be well.